What's up everybody, Fritz here, coming at you again from SVBimmer, and in today's video we're going to go over the 2 easiest modifications that you could do on the X3M. Now the 2 modifications that we're going to go over today are going to be the rear spoiler as well as the front strut bar. This is what we would consider a 3 and a 2 out of 10 respectively, with a 1 out of 10 difficulty being something requiring no tools whatsoever, such as replacing your windshield wipers. The only tools that we really need here are a set of plastic trim tools as well as a socket set. No power tools are required, but if you do have them, they will make the job go by a little bit faster. Starting off with the rear spoiler. If there's any moisture on the car, you want to make sure to dry that off because you are going to have some electrical components that are going to be exposed. Next, you want to tape off the area that is directly next to the main plastic trim that you see here. This is going to save your rear tint. As soon as you've done that, go ahead and detach all the nuts that hold in the spoiler. When you've done that, you can lower down the trunk and pop off the rear spoiler. But the M Sport spoiler is actually a 2-piece design with the upper piece held in by double-sided tape. A trick here is to peel off a small portion of the double-sided tape and bend it off to the side. That way, when you have it situated in place, you can press down and pull the double-sided tape off to the side. Next, you have your strut bar, and this is the 2 out of 10 here. All that we really have to do here is pop off the plastic trim that is hiding the bolts that are securing the strut bar in place. As soon as you've done that, unbolt those nuts and then replace the factory strut bar for the carbon fiber strut bar. And just like that, you're all done installing the carbon fiber strut brace as well as the rear spoiler on your BMW. And this is really the perfect entry-level project for anybody who's just starting to work on their BMWs. This should roughly take you about an hour for both of these projects combined, with the rear spoiler taking a little bit more. And if you're looking for any of the products that we use in this video, it's gonna be down in the description. And don't forget to leave us any questions that you have in the comment section. And we'll see all of you guys in the next one.